Come on.
Your name?
Channa.
Capital cities बोलना, okay? Andhra Pradesh,
Amarati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Amarati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Assam,
Assam. Jaipur.
Bihar,
Bihar. Pata.
Chhattisgarh,
Jaipur.
Goa,
Goa. Paraji.
Gujarat, Haryana, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. Very good, very nice.